Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is awesome seeing your smiling faces. I hope you guys are having an outstanding day. I know I am. I'm feeling extremely productive today and creative. So what we are going to do today is I've got a slight problem, right? As I'm busy repairing my motorcycle there in the back. And I need a caliper ruler. But if you guys have ever seen how much they cost, yeah, they are quite expensive unless you get the cheap little plastic ones, but then again you might as well just make one yourself, you know. Anyway, nevertheless, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a caliper ruler out of tongue dispensers. So you're going to grab a bunch of tongue dispensers and you're going to turn it into this, and it works quite nicely. So yeah, without further ado, let's walk it through. Yeah, so all you need some tongue dispensers, a big ass scissor, some form of glue, a ruler, and a pen. That's literally all that you need to make this. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly what we're going to do is we're just going to start with the back. So we're just going to lay out two little sticks like this, and basically this part we're going to stick to the back like that. Oh, and just so by the way, I do apologize for all the cars running around. I mean, it is Joburg, it is busy. Anyway, let's get back to it. Hopefully the tunes in the background will take your mind off of that. Anyway, back to the DIY. Okay, so epoxy. So we take half and half, right? Half like that. Half like that. Just mix these two bad boys together quickly. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Now all we do is we pick up our little support, throw a bit of epoxy on it, more, rub some more on it. Just make sure that they are nice, neatly aligned, turn around and just stick it. There we go. Should be relatively dry enough now to do the next best thing. So basically what I'm going to do is we're going to take this, just going to keep it in the middle here, just for a reference, mix up some more epoxy. Yeah, that's probably why I never passed it. Anyway, grab two more tongue dispensers, and then what we are going to do is we are just going to rub it on half of it on each one. So epoxy on half of the tongue dispenser. Like that. We're going to stick it to our base. Oh, we just missed some epoxy there. Okay, keep that nicely in the middle. Take this bad boy. Okay, perfect. Okay, so after your base is dried, grab another two tongue dispensers, stick them nicely in the middle, like that. It's just for support. Then we're going to take this one more tongue dispenser and we're just going to stick it nice halfway over the top like that. Get half of it. Just like that. And then we can just stick it to all the others. After it's sticked, just pull out these two just to prevent it from sticking to the rest of our badass DIY caliper ruler. Okay, whilst your base is busy drying, we can quickly work on the movable parts of the ruler. You just grab another tongue dispenser, get your big scissors, just cut it in half. That's more or less about half right there. Now we're going to take our base, stick the one end in like that. Okay. Then all you're going to do is you're just going to stick it, so as your ruler's like that, you're going to take this little piece and just stick it like that. Obviously just sticking it to the one half of this little dispenser over here. Okay. So take some glue like this, put it on the very edge, just like that, just enough to cover it. Okay. And then what you do is you just stick it like that, pull it out, there you go, and just place it down on a surface to let it dry. Okay, whilst our little slidable part is busy drying off, you can grab your base again, and grab another tongue dispenser, and all you're going to do is on this single top part over here, you take this tongue dispenser and we're just going to stick it like that. This is obviously going to be our stationary part where the measurement will be made from. And then just stick it. Okay, once your whole contraption has dried, the only thing left to do is to clean it up and put the markings on it. That is it. That's all it takes to make a caliper ruler out of nothing but tongue dispensers, a pencil, glue, and some scissors. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.